In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then Emergency SOS, Emergency Contacts, and finally Add Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To delete one of your contacts, use this icon at the top right corner. Click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!